Okay, this is dried totally. Now I will use some acrylic paint. This is just some dark brown, nothing special. Don't know if this will function because it's so old, but we will find out. Maybe it would be good to have something like this old plastic thing where I could put in a bit of this color. So this is just my base, and then I will go on. You can cover it with some gesso before, just to get rid of these different colors, but I think this acrylic paint will cover my cover up. So this red and gray and white, and I will go over it a few times anyway. So just letting the first coat dry, and for me it's not important to have it really, so I like this look. I don't try to do it really the same amount of color everywhere, because I want to have it a bit more lazy looking, or a bit more, I don't know, colorful. So I don't care if it's spread out evenly. For this project it really doesn't matter. Oh, I have another journal staying over here. I think it got a drop of color, but this is no big deal. So we need some more color. No, it's fine. You cannot see it because the other cover I have out of view on my table, because I'm working on this at the same time. It has a similar color, so you cannot see this brown. Oh, okay. So, okay, we want to cover up the whole cover. And I have to go over it again and again. So I think 2 to 3 times would be fine. And I have so many acrylic paints I don't use really much. So I thought maybe I will go over with my finger to a bit here and there, just to give it more interest. I need something else to put here. Just searching for something. Oh, I know I had something at hand. Oh, my desk is a mess, a really mess. I tell you. Okay, I cannot find anything. Ah, here we have something. So this is just an old Maxim. Okay, perfect. So I thought maybe I want to go over with some different colors, just to have a pop of color here and there. But maybe you can already see what this should be. So it should look like a wooden door. So this is what I wanted to achieve, and I did this a few times before. I think 2 times, one in white and one in brown. So maybe you're interested and want to search my channel for the other videos. We just get rid of the last blob of color on my pencil, on my, oh, this is drying already, on my paintbrush. And then I have to go to meet some friends, so this can dry. Just trying to wipe off a bit. Okay, it looks really different right now. So I will let this dry. And continue the process. I think I will do it off camera, so putting on another layer or 2 layers of this acrylic paint in this brown. And the last time I did this, I think I used some gold, and I have to clean this up. I think I used some gold and went over a bit here and a bit there, but I have so many other colors, so usually I do it or I did it in brown, I did it in white, so I had this kind of a door look, a wooden door look, but I want to use up some other colors, or want to use some other colors. Using up is, I have so many. But I think you get the idea, and I will do the rest of the decorating part off camera. When this is dried, I will flip it over and just put in a bit of color right onto the edges. And then I want to, put in some fabric. I think I will show you this part, or maybe not, we will see. But I think you get the idea. And I will show you the next steps and the result in another video, or later in this video. We will see. So I painted the cover. So this is the cover so far, but to be honest with you, I'm not so satisfied with it. So the inside I just painted twice, the outside I think I painted 3 times. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it keeps cracking. So the cover, the color keeps cracking. I don't know, it's because of the, here you can see it really good. I don't like this. I don't know if it is because of the surface, because it is too structured, or if it is because of my paint I'm using. I don't know. We have a little bit of something over here, and I don't know. I'm just not so in love with it as I would like to be. But anyway, I will cover this up. I thought about using some, I really like this effect, but as I said, it's the details. I thought about using some lace and putting the lace right onto here, so to cover this part up. This would be an option, and the same for here. But I don't know. Okay, I will try out the lace thing before I do another thing, because my second thought was just to cover it up with some fabric. This is a really thin fabric, and I have enough of it to put it in this direction. Then I would try to work out this these parts so that you would be able to see them a bit, maybe, and if not, you would be able to feel them, which is a really cool idea too. But maybe I will just put on some lace and just see how it looks. Okay, I pulled out this lace. I really like it, really love it, and I love how it looks on here. I would put on 2 of these because it's not wide enough to cover this up the way I wanted to. And this looks really cool, but it's because of the details. So I don't know if you can see it in camera. So I would put on some more color using my finger or a dry brush to put on a bit of lighter brown, a bit of gold, for example. But I have something over here that is not so much my thing. This edge is sticking out and so on. I don't know. It's just the details I don't like. So maybe I will try this again another time, but for now I will just cover this up with this thin lace, because I painted it. It is really even, so there are some you can see some brush strokes, but it's even enough to cover it up with a thinner fabric. And if the brown is peeking through, it's totally fine for me. So I think I showed you the covering up process, so I will just cut this aside, put on some glue, put the edges into here, and that's it. So I will do this off camera, and the next video will be showing you, oh, and I have to attach the closure. I will do this before I put in something on the inside, or I thought about using a bit of jeans, and this this part of it was from a bag, but it got broken, so the closure got broken, so I cut it off, and I thought about maybe putting this around as a closure, a removable closure in this case. So something like this, sewing it together using some jeans for these parts to seal them. So this is just an idea. And I just see I don't have a closure for here. So this is a soft cover flap. So I have to figure out what I want to do for here. And then we have these 2 covers. They already have closures. This is a hardcover version, this is a soft cover version. And the next part will be showing you how to put in signatures. So we will do 2 journals with binding in signatures, the usual way with the 3-hole pamphlet stitch. And the other 2 journals I will put in removable signatures. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Watch the other videos of the series if you're interested in the whole process. And stay tuned to the next video. Bye!